Hi student, today we are going to see term 2 maths. The unit name is geometry. Geometry is the archetype of the beauty of the world. In this chapter we are going to discuss about what are the types of angles, what is complementary and supplementary angles. Let us move to the video session.
Unit 1 from Max. The chapter name is Geometry. In this geometry, we are going to see types of angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles. Related to geometry, let us know some definitions. First one, point. A point is an exact location in space or a flat surface. Second one, a line is a collection of points that continues forever in both directions. For example, both the sides we will have a arrow mark, that means it continues. Third one, a line segment is a part of a line with two endpoints. Both the sides it has a endpoint. That means the line has finished. That is called line segment. Fourth one, a ray starts from one point and extends in other direction. That means one side we have a point, the other side we have a arrow. That means it's called an ray. One side it continues, the other side it will be an end. Last one, an angle is formed when two rays shares an endpoint. That is called an angle. Intersecting lines are lines that passes through the same point. Both the lines it passes through the same point. Next one, perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at right angle. If you see that direction, you know that is right angle. The last one, parallel lines are lines that never intersect each other. It always at a different direction. It never intersect each other. In the term 1 itself, we have seen some angles. In this, we are going to see what are the different types of angles. In term 1, we know how to see angles with the help of a protractor. Let us see what is zero angle. The zero angle is always equal to 0 degree. If you see in the protractor, you will be having a 0 degree. Acute angle. Acute angle means is always less than 90 degree. Right angle. Right angle is nothing but is always equal to 90 degree. It is always equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is above 90 degree and between 180 degree. That is called obtuse angle. The last one is straight angle. It always equal to 180 degree. First we are going to see what is supplementary angles. Supplementary angle is nothing but it always add up to 180 degree. For example, 90 plus 90 equal to 180. Here some of the example has been given. A plus B equal to 180 degree. With the help of the protractor, we have to measure what is the degree. When we add both the things, we have to get 180 degree. That is called supplementary angles. The next one is complementary angles. Complementary angle is nothing but when we add both the things, we have to get 90 degree. For example, 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. That is called complementary angles. When we add both the degree, we have to get exactly 90 degree. That is called as complementary angles. Supplementary means 180, complementary means 90. Let us see both the things together. First one, complementary angles. Angles that add up to 90 degree. Here they have given an example 52 degree plus 38 degree. When we add, you will get the exact answer as 90 degree. That is called as complementary angles. Next one, supplementary angles. Angles that add up to 180 degree. When we add both the degree, we have to get exactly 180 degree. That is 128 degree plus 52 degree. We will get the angle 180 degree. That is called as supplementary angles. Children, did you all know what is the angle is this? This is supplementary angles because we are adding 130 plus 50 equal to 180 degree. That is called as supplementary angles. Let us see some example for complementary angles and supplementary angles. First one, complementary angles. You all know complementary means 90 degree. When we add both the degree, we have to get exactly 90 degree. For example, 30 degree plus 60 degree equal to 90 degree. The first one is complementary angles. The next picture, the same thing but they are given separately. 70 degree plus 20 degree, we will get the answer 90 degree. That is also a complementary angles. The next picture which is down, that shows it is an supplementary angles. When the angle XOY is equal to 130 degree, XOZ is equal to 50 degree. 130 plus 50 equal to 180 degree. That is called as supplementary angles. The next one, the angle MON shows 80 degree and the angle EFG shows 100 degree. That means both are equal to 180 degree. That the thing is both are supplementary angles. Definition of fractal. A fractal is a never-ending pattern that repeats itself at different scale. This property is called self-similarity. If you've seen everywhere, it shows the same similarity. Although fractal are very complex, they are made by repeating a simple process. Fractal are extremely complex, sometimes infinitely complex, meaning you can zoom in and find the shapes forever. If you zoom also, you will get the same shapes. For example, these are the patterns they have given below. These are the examples of pattern. If you zoom the pattern, you will get the same picture. That is called as fractal. If you zoom the flower pattern and the tile pattern, you will get the same image. That is, self-similarity will be same in both the pattern. The last one, this activity you have to do it in your home. This is example for complementary angle. One has been done for you. The other should be you have to do it in your home. Complementary means it is equal to 90 degree. The one angle they have given, the other angle you have to find out from the 90 degree. The next one is the activity is for supplementary angles. Supplementary angle means it's related to 180 degree. The first one, it has been done for you. 100 plus 80 equal to 180 degree. That means it's called supplementary angles. The other three, children, you have to do it in your home. I hope you all understood about the chapter geometry. Thank you, students.